Samsung 287-liter deep freezer. Finally, the lion is here. Wow. Wow. Samsung is the best freezer in the whole world. Finally, it is here. The Samsung deep freezer we are waiting for is here. This is 287-liter deep freezer. The best you can see, the best you can ever have. If you are doing business, this is what you're supposed to have. Let's unleash the dragon. Let's unleash the tiger. Let's unleash the main freezer itself. Wow! Come and show them. Come close. Watch. Samsung is the best freezer you will have. Come close. Show them inside. This is the best freezer. See the water draw out. See the water draw out. Show them the down. Show them the down. See 2 baskets. It has 2 baskets. Has lock key. Everything magical. Everything magical. Inner light. Everything is magical. Samsung is the best. This freezer maintains ice 5 good days. 5 good days. If you're a businesswoman, 5 good days. This freezer is still the best. People have been asking me about deep freezer, Samsung deep freezer in my Instagram. This is it. TikTok, this is it. I'm posting it now. Wow. Globally number one. Energy saving. Globally number 1. Wow. Wow.